This video's all about structure. So next time you're out in a wild area, if you look at the forest in its different layers, you can begin to see where different animals might live and how the ecology comes together. So next time you've got the kids outside, start to look for the understory, the shrub layer, the canopy layer, and just invite the kids to wonder about the different layers, who might live there, what they might do, and how they might affect each other and come together to form an ecology. So there's some worksheets that I've created that you can recreate or download and use to engage the kids even further. So enjoy. So, without further ado, let's go for a walk.